Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, we will solve some programs related to do while and while loops. So, here is a program in which we want to print the table of 2. So, what will be its logic? We know that how table of 2 can be created. It can be created like 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4 up to 2 into 10, that is 20. 2 tens are 20. So we can use this logic as 2 is constant in each and every part, and after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10 is multiplied to it. So we can understand that 2 into some number, some variable whose value is incremented each and every time. So this is the logic. So let's start to make the program. As a basic structure of C program, we have included header files, and after that we have the main function. Inside the main function we have integer type of variable a starting from 1. After that clear screen function. After that do while loop. Do as per syntax, inside the curly braces our code is written, and after that while, and in the brackets we have condition, terminating condition, and semicolon, then gets yes, then curly braces of void main function is closed. So as we want to print the table of 2, that's why printf percentile d backslash n for next line, double quote closed, after that comma, a into 2. You can see that we have discussed the logic that any number which is incremented every time into 2, a into 2, a star to denote a into 2. After that curly bracket close and semicolon. After that increment operator is applied on a plus plus. This denotes that each and every time the value of a is incremented by 1, a equal to a plus 1. After that bracket close, while what will be the condition that the value of a should be less than 10, because 2 into 10 gives us 20. So here the value of a should be less than or equal to 10, and close. So I hope that you will get it. I want to also make you understand why we have chosen 1, because we have to start from 2 into 1, and here a into 2. When we put the value of a as 1, first value we will get 2 ones of 1, 2 into 1, that comes out to be 2, and we will get 2 as in console. After that value of a is incremented as 2. After that 2 into 2, 2 2 is 4, 4 will be printed. After that 2 value of a is incremented, it becomes 3. The controls enters the loop again, as the condition is true here, a into 2, and the value of a has been 3, 3 2 is 6, 2 3 is 6. Similarly it goes on and on and on. When we comes a equal to 9, 9 into 2, 18, 18, then 9 is incremented, then its value become 10, 10 is less than equal to 10, yes, condition true. Then again enters the loop, value of a becomes 10 into 2 becomes 20, 20 is printed, and after that value of a is incremented, it becomes 11, a equal to a plus 1, 10 plus 1 becomes 11, and 11 is not equal to 10, that's why this condition falls, and the loop exits, control exits the loop. After that our program has been finished, and we have printed the value between 2 to 20, that is table of 2. Now we will discuss another example related to while loop. So you can see this in this program. What we want to do, we want to print any type of numbers any type of table. Here as you can see that any number, if we want to print any numbers table like 2 or 3, then it should be start from 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, and for 3, 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, up to 3 into 10. So what is the common in both the cases? In both the cases the things are common, like the number which we want to for table is multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. That is, one of the value is constant for each and every table. So here we got the point that we will use in the program. So let's start. Here as a basic structure we have included the header file, and inside main function we have our code. Initially what we want to do, we have to have two variables of integer type for printing, because 3 into 2, 3 into 1, there should be at least two variables. After that, clear screen for removing previous output. Then printf enter a number and scan it as b, and initialize value of a from 1. After that, start do while loop. Inside the loop, write the code that you want, like printf percentile ds a into b. Here you can see that a is initiated by 1 and b is taken from the user. If user wants table of 2, then it becomes a into 2, and if user wants table of 3, then it becomes a into 3. After that, it is the value of a is incremented each and every time, so that it can gives us output of table starting from any number like 2 into 1 to 2 up to 2 into 10. If user gives input 4, then 4 into 1 to 4 into 10. So this is the basic structure. After that, while this, and what is the condition for exiting the loop, that a should be less than or equal to 10, because we want to print only the table that is from 2 into 1, 2 into 2 up to 2 into 10. So the value of a should not exceed 10. That's why we have written this a should be less than or equal to 10. After that, get ch and curly braces close. Here you can see that each and every time initially value of a is 1, and after that it becomes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When it becomes 10, the control exits the loop and program will be finished. So I hope you will get it, friends. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and comment.